In this video, I'm going to be going over what is exposition in a story. So exposition is going to be the first element for a story plot arc. We'll be looking at the rest of these key elements in future videos, so don't forget to subscribe to this channel. So exposition is the foundation of a story plot arc. It's the part where the audience learns the essentials of who, what, when, where, why before the main conflict. Think of it as answering the essential questions. Who is the story about? Where are they? What's the situation, and why does any of this matter? What exposition does in the plot arc? It introduces characters, establishes setting, provides background context, and hints at the central conflict.
Don't forget to check out my kids' books that are located on Amazon and on Kindle. These are two kids' books, and they are already self-published. So take a look at them, and if you have Kindle, you get them for free.
Introduces the character, who is the story about, and their relationships. Establishes setting, time, place, and environment. Provides background context, history, world rules, and the important past events. Hints the central conflict. Subtle clues about the problem that will drive the plot forward.
If you guys are getting valuable information from this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe so I can keep pumping out this amazing content. Now let's jump back into the video, guys.
Without exposition, the conflict feels random. With it, the audience understands the world, the stakes, and the characters' motivations. Good exposition doesn't dump information, it sets the stage. How writers deliver exposition. Direct exposition, the narrator tells the reader information outright. How writers deliver exposition. Indirect exposition, information revealed through actions, dialogue, or description. Let's use Iron Man as an example. Who, what, when, where. We meet his best friend who's in the military, James Rhodes, and the future villain, Obadiah Stane, who worked with Tony Stark, but Tony is nowhere to be found.
Please don't forget me.
When we do finally meet Tony Stark, we see that he's a rich billionaire that lives carefree. We get to meet Pepper Potts and see how she's Tony's right-hand woman. We get to see the desire between them. Lastly, we get to see Happy, his best friend and driver. Then we finally get to see how Tony makes all his money through selling weapons of mass destruction. So here's your homework assignment, guys. Write the exposition, the story from your character's birth until now. This will help you get a better understanding of your characters. This will put into perspective the villain's wants, his whys, the why he's acting the way he is. The character, your main character, his whys and why he's going against this villain. All this information will help set the story up for the central conflict. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you're getting a lot of great content, please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel so I can keep pumping out this amazing content. If you want to continue learning some creative writing lessons, go ahead and click any of these videos or play this right here and scan this QR code so you can see my link tree where my books are and my other social media platforms. Thank you guys, and may the force be with you always.